Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something epic for all the Formula 1 fans and LEGO lovers out there, the LEGO Technic Oracle Red Bull Racing RB20 F1 race car model kit. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to grab this incredible F1 LEGO set at the best available price today. Now let's get into what makes this kit a must-have. Race car emoji, a tribute to Red Bull racing excellence. If you're a fan of Max Verstappen, Sergio Perez, or just Red Bull's dominance in Formula 1, this RB20 LEGO Technic model captures the soul of the real race car. It's designed for builders aged 18 plus and is packed with authentic features that bring the engineering magic of F1 right into your hands. Wrench emoji, realistic Technic features and working mechanics. This isn't your average LEGO car. This kit features a working V6 engine with moving pistons, functioning steering wheel, advanced suspension system, realistic aerodynamic bodywork, slick Pirelli branded tires, and tons of decals for that authentic Red Bull finish. Building this set feels like assembling a scaled-down piece of real engineering. Present emoji, perfect gift for adults, F1 fans and groomsmen. Whether you're gifting this to yourself, your best man, or your groomsmen, this LEGO set oozes personality and precision. It's a great blend of passion, display value, and fun. It also makes a stunning addition to any office, man cave, or collector's shelf. Stopwatch emoji, build time and difficulty. This is a challenging and rewarding build, perfect for experienced LEGO Technic fans or anyone who wants to level up from traditional LEGO sets. You'll get hours of mindful building and a huge sense of accomplishment once it's done. Brain emoji, why adults love this. It's a hands-on F1 tribute with impressive realism. Great for stress relief and focus. Looks premium and display-worthy once built. Connects your love for motorsport with your passion for building. Star emoji, final verdict. The LEGO Technic Red Bull Racing RB20 F1 car is easily one of the most exciting and detail-rich Technic kits of the year. It's not just a build, it's a celebration of performance, precision, and Formula 1 history. Rating, 5/5. Build it. Display it. Love it. This is Formula 1, LEGO style. Checkered flag emoji. That's it for today's review. If you're loving these collectible LEGO deep dives, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite team below. And don't forget, check the link below to grab the RB20 F1 kit at the best deal today while it's still in stock.